In the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic, it comes as the
called a false negative. So you want the false negatives to be as low as possible.
Without a stellar politicians who had almost an angry attitude to
early a bit first, so right back in late January and into early. Around how to best bring a community with you, there is, I agree.
Hi everyone, welcome to another day in the workshop, and it's a continuum of this guild challenge I've got on the go. And happy Easter to you all. I hope you're keeping well. But first I've got to have a huge clean up. Alright, so that's a basic clean up. Very basic. Right, just wanted to mention this. The other day I did a short video on doing refractory lining. So part of this video today is going to be showing you how it came out. Now I knew that this would never fit back on there, so I had to take it off the hinge, which I've done. And so it's possible like this, just put that on there, but it's not really giving it much of a seal around here at all. That makes then the brick in here that I've got, fabric in here, a bit high, so I've decided that I'm just going to not use this for now. Store that down there, and then I'll just use these normal bricks to bring this up to a certain height, and then I'll just shove that one on the top. Right, but I've got to use this today to see how this refractory lining goes, and just for everyone that doesn't know, this refractory lining is high temperature mortar, which I've used to cover all the kale oil, because kale oil is very dangerous for you if you breathe it in. So this is where I'm at with this. So later on today I'm going to test this and see how it goes. Sheet. Right, so here's the first one. Let's have a look to see how much. By the way, while I was waiting, I've just acid stone washed another knife here, and you just can't see it in the light, but it's actually very, very fine. Not bad at all. Right. Wow, look at that. Look how clean that is. Been through all that. Alright, this is it. 800. Here we go. This is the first one. tip some in here. I don't know how much, no idea. But now if I tip it's the same oil. Right, now this next blade is ready as well, so successfully heat treated, and look at the lack of decarb on that knife. That's amazing. I usually get a lot worse than that, as a, you know. That's pretty hard. Right, so now that's back up to temperature again. So now I've got to do the same thing. I've got to tip some out. Here, putting these in the vise, and it sucks the heat out of them pretty quick and keeps them really straight. And again, Outdoors fella showed that on one of his videos recently. So here we go. So it's only been in there for a couple of minutes, but it's enough. See, it's already cool enough to touch. So, yeah, there's no warts in it. I mean, it's hard to tell in this one, it's got a taper, but it's actually really good. I'm pleased with that. So I'll check that out and do a hardness test on that one. There we go. We'll come back in 1 hour. Well, that's it everyone for this video. I got this far. I started partial fit up on this, as I was showing you earlier. Heat treated, tang tapered and heat treated. And while I was at it, I heat treated this one as well. So this is just a Tanto I'm working on. As you can see here, the guard and the handle wrap that I've been practicing. So I'm looking forward to that. I haven't done much videoing on that, but I think I might pick up where I left off there and do a little video of that as well. But in the next video, I'll obviously be cleaning these up, grinding the bevels, putting handles on, sharpening them up. Hopefully I'll come up with something that impressed the Australian Knife Makers Guild enough to increase my membership somehow. But we'll see. And I don't know how I'm going to get them to them at the moment anyway, with all this lockdown and whatnot. So, but anyway, you guys have a great Easter, keep safe, and I'll see you soon.